In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling and well-organized blog post using Perplexity. First, let's begin by navigating to perplexity.ai in your web browser. Once there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Having an account ensures you can save your work and access it easily in the future. After you're logged in, it's time to enter your topic. Let's say you want to write about sustainable travel tips. Enter Write a blog outline about sustainable travel tips into the platform. Perplexity.ai will then generate a preliminary outline for your blog post. This outline acts as a foundation, which you can build on to craft a more detailed article. Take a good look at the generated outline. This is a critical step where you'll want to review and edit the sections to align closely with your intended message and style. Feel free to customize the outline to better fit your ideas. Keep in mind the importance of a logical flow that guides your readers smoothly from one section to the next. Once your outline feels solid, you can start working on expanding the sections. To do this, ask Perplexity.ai to elaborate further. For instance, you might say, write 200 words for section 2 with examples. This will help flesh out the content, add depth, and create a more engaging reading experience. As your content takes shape, consider ways to optimize it for search engines. This is essential if you want your blog to reach a wider audience. You can use follow-up prompts to ask Perplexity AI for SEO optimizations. For example, you could request, add keywords for better Google ranking. Incorporating SEO practices will improve your blog's visibility and help more readers find your content online. Before you finalize your post, ensure accuracy by cross-checking any citations that Perplexity.ai has provided. Reliable sources not only enhance the credibility of your content, but they also help build trust with your audience. Take a moment to verify the citations and make necessary adjustments if anything seems amiss. With everything in place, it's time to transition your work to the final stage. Simply copy your content and paste it into your blog editor. This step signifies that your blog is ready for the finishing touches and subsequent publication. As you prepare for this, consider reading through one last time to check for any remaining edits or refinements. Your dedication to detail will shine through in the final product. And there you have it, an easy-to-follow method to create rich, well-structured blog content using Perplexity.ai. Thanks for joining me on this content creation journey. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.